welcome back to my channel, and yes, I'm bringing you guys the Target Ibotta haul. Now, I'm thinking you guys probably agree with me. I'm thinking Target has not been very good lately. Like, sometimes it's like, do I even need to drive to Target? But my Target and Walmart are kind of close to each other, so that's why I do it. But I feel like Target has not had a lot of great deals. Like, I used to have a page full of stuff all the time, and lately it's like 1 or 2 items. But I did get some great items, and it ended up turning to be a great price. So I'm here to share with you guys what I got. The first deal that I ended up doing is the Neutrogena and Clean and Clear deal. These bad boys right here. This right here is $3.59. You guys want to only use one $2 off coupon that you guys can print from coupons.com. There is also a digital coupon on the Target Cartwheel app, so you guys just add that and it automatically come off when you guys have them scan your Target Cartwheel. And then one Neutrogena coupon, it's for the oil acne. This was $4.79. So I used two $2 off coupons and one $3 off coupon. You guys would end up paying just $5. The Target automatically adjusts their coupons, so you guys would end up paying $5 for these. But then you guys will end up getting a $5 gift card for buying 3 items. These come out to be absolutely free, so if you guys are interested in doing this deal, I would definitely do it. I don't get acne very much, but I do know a lot of people who do, so it's great for that. And then this is just a foaming facial cleanser, washes away problem-causing dirt, oil, and makeup without ever over dry. Now, that's something I could actually use, and I do like it how it has a little pump. So I wanted to share with you guys on that little deal. Now I also ended up getting the Faye yogurt. I do this deal every week because it's a great deal. Now, one of you guys last week mentioned that there was a Cartwheel deal. I didn't even look, but thank you for that. So I checked it again this week, and there was. My store still has these for $1.29, but when they ring out $1.19. But then you guys want to use your Cartwheel app where you guys get 10% off. You guys would just pay $1.07 for this. But then you guys can submit a 75-cent rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for this just 32 cents. So if you guys are interested in going with that one, and it's the same deal also with the Faye Total. These were $1.19. You guys want to use 10% off of Cartwheel. You guys would just pay $1.07 for this. But then you guys can submit a 75-cent rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for this just 32 cents. So definitely do those deals if you guys want to. I wanted to really rack up Ibotta this week. I already finished level 1 between Target and Walmart, and I was 1 away from level 2 after I finished Walmart, which is fine with me because, you know, all of a sudden it's like day 2 already of July and I'm already kicking it, so I'm already excited for that. Another deal that you guys want to do, see if you guys can do this, is the Rubbermaid Fresh Works Produce Saver. Now, my store had these for $8.99. I scanned the item while I was at the store and it did not pop up. It said like error. I searched for the Rubbermaid Fresh Works, but then there's like the whole category and it showed the price for $5.66. But when I clicked it, it just kept loading and loading and loading. So I showed the cashier that, so she did price adjust it to $5.66 for this. So it's up to your store's discretion. If you guys also want to, you could pay for it the way it is and then go to the service desk and show them the price and they'll help you guys out. But we do have a $3 off coupon that you guys can use for this. You guys would end up paying just $2.66 for this. But then you guys can submit a $2 rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for this just 66 cents. So 66 cents all the way from $8.99 I think is a great deal. It's just your regular storage container, but then, you know, it's got like a little vent on there to keep your food fresh, and so super easy like that. So yeah, definitely wanted to share with you guys on that. And then my husband loves these drinks. I've gotten these drinks before when they've had deals for it. But these are the Lacumbe coffee drinks. These are all by like the coffee, not all like the drinks with the coffee. These were $2.79. Now in the past they used to be $1.99, but they're now $2.79. I printed off a coupon from Mambo Sprouts. What you guys can actually go to is Lozo.com, Lozo.com, and then you type in that Lacumbe brand, and then it'll take you to the Mambo Sprouts. And I was only able to print one coupon, but you guys would end up paying $1.79 for this. But then you guys can submit a $1 rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for this just 79 cents. My husband loves these drinks. Like he's like, get me more of those coffee drinks. Get me more of those coffee drinks. So if you guys want to try something, try that. So yeah. And that was my haul. I only got 7 items. I know it's kind of sad. I just feel like Target hasn't been doing a very good job on, Target hasn't been doing a very good job with deals with Ibotta, but I mean, this is a pretty big deal for me. I'm glad I got something like that, so might go back and do that again. Just we'll see how that goes. But my total came to $11.56 for all 7 items. I got a $5 gift card for the Clean and Clear and the Neutrogena. But then I submitted my receipt. I got $4.75 back. I got, you know, the 75 cents for the Faye, and then I got $1 back with the coffee, and then I got $2 back with the Rubbermaid. And then I also had a 25 cents off of any receipt. So I did that. But my grand total came to $1.81. That comes out to 7 items, just 26 cents a piece. I think that's a great deal. I'm pretty excited to get something that my husband really loves. And, you know, then we got something to keep our fruits and vegetables fresh if we ever use that stuff. So I just want to say thank you guys for watching. Also, don't forget to check out the t-shirt. I see a lot of people are selling t-shirts all of a sudden, but I really try to make my t-shirts reasonably priced that you guys can afford. I'm not in it to make a profit. I just wanted to sell shirts that we could all wear together. I know a lot of you guys have ordered it, and thank you. There's still about a little less than a week and a half left to go to order those shirts, but everybody who does order it, I want you guys to send me a picture because I'm going to do a little montage video of us all wearing the same shirts, so definitely do that. But yes, I just want to say thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys all later or next week for another Target Ibotta haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.